can use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
Beige is on the beat. Beige is on the beat.
It's your girl Dolly and welcome back to episode number 6. This is the final episode of my summer collab series. I cannot believe that we're at the end. Like, this is crazy. Like, working with these girls have been so amazing. They're all so talented. Like, oh my god, like, I don't even know what to say. I can't believe it's the last episode. So yeah, the theme for today was Golden Glam. As you guys can see, we have something a little different, something a little outside the box here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you stay tuned to the tutorial after this, and make sure you guys definitely check those ladies out in the description bar and check their look out as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. So jumping right into this look, I'm just showing you guys as always what I'll be using to create this look. This look, the eye look was pretty simple. It's just the paper strands that made it pop out and made it abstract. So I'm starting this tutorial by putting both of those mustard yellow shades from the Subculture palette mixed together in my crease. So yeah, like I said, this eye look is pretty simple. You can do this on a day-to-day basis. Like I said, what took this look to the next level is the metal shreds that I end up using. My initial thing was to use gold foil, but I could not find it, so I ended up using the metallic shreds for this. And don't mind me looking up during this tutorial. I'm actually watching Saved by the Bell, the college years. But yeah, I'm just putting that yellow all over my crease. So following that yellow shade, I'll be placing orange all in my crease, and then I'll be cutting my crease off camera, and I'm also going to clean up with that mustard yellow above that yellow so that we don't use too much of that color. So next, I'm just taking some facial mist and wetting my brush. You know, I use facial mist 1,000 times throughout my, makeup routine. And I'm going to dip my brush into one of those gold shades from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette and place that all over my lid. Then after that, I'm going to take a liquid glitter and put that over there to make it more glittery and like just appear more golden. I'm adding some of the Too Faced Pure Gold Fine Glitter Pigment on top of my eyes as well to give it an extra gold glittery effect, and then I'll top it with a liquid glitter. So the liquid glitter I'll be taking today is from Profusion Cosmetics. It is called their Sparkling Eye Topper. This is the color Dazzle. It's just a gold, and as you guys can see, as I put that over that gold, it'll stand out more, it'll sparkle more, it'll give us that gold, that liquid gold effect.
Beige is on the beat. Beige is on the beat.
So now I'm going to take either both of the brown shades or one of the brown shades from the Juvia's Place Nubian palette and put that in my outer corner. That's just to darken this look up some. Like I said, this eye is pretty simple. You can do it on an everyday basis. I feel like this would be a good everyday eye because I personally like warm neutral looks. I'm not a big fan of like super soft looks, but I feel like this is a good eye for every day.
Beige is on the beat.
So per usual, we go off camera to finish my face makeup, and I'm coming on to finish up the eyes. As usual, NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk in the waterline, and I believe I just put the orange down there on my waterline. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, this eye look was really simple to do. And then I popped some of the color Illusion from the Profusion Chocolates palette. I put some of that in my brow bone in the last clips that you saw, but I also popped that into my inner corner. So I literally did not know I was recording and you guys could see my ball cap, and I don't even care because you guys know the yellow hair is a wig. It's a wig, sis.
Beige is on the beat.
Lashes I'll be wearing today are the La Rechante Cream Puff Candy Bag Lashes. Hunty, I just want to tell y'all, if y'all haven't got any of these LA Colored loose highlighters from Dollar Tree, I don't know what y'all missing. This is like the best dollar investment I made in my life. Like, every single one is fire.
Beige is on the beat.
So here I use a combination of different metallic like gold and rose gold lipsticks just to get this color. This is the King K Metal Liquid Lipstick from Kylie. I always knew this lipstick would come in handy one day, but I've had this for a while. I do love this lip color. I love it in the center of a nude lip as like a highlight. It's so pretty. So on top of that, I'm taking an eyeshadow stick from Profusion. It's a gold, and just blended it in to make it even more gold because that shade is more of a rose gold. And as you guys see, I'm getting that liquid gold effect also on my lips. And then I'm going to top it off with a lip gloss that I got from Mary Kay.
On the beat.
Okay, so here's the fun part. So here I'm going to add the metallic paper shreds. So I'm taking some hard candy glitter stay on the back of my hand. I'm telling y'all, this stuff worked for everything. Worked for rhinestones. It worked for everything. So I'm just tapping that on the side of my face where my highlight is, and I'm just going to stick some paper shreds there. And these damn things are hell to clean up and just hell to work with. Like, they were falling off. Of course y'all didn't see that. When I put my wig on the blow dryer, it was like blowing them off. They're all in my carpet. Like, but it was fun for a day. And you got to be careful with stuff like this because it's one dig in my eye and it hurt my eye so bad. But I only do things like this for the sake of you guys and these tutorials. But after this, I'm pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, make sure you have your post notifications on. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and make sure you tune into the other ladies' videos. Bye.
Dice is on the beat.
Entourage. You can use your imagination. You better use your